Welcome to a quick practical guide on finding all the shared media by date on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever needed to sort through photos, videos, or documents by when they were sent or received, this method makes it simple and fast. First, open WhatsApp Web in your browser and scan the QR code with your phone if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen where your chats are listed. At the top of that vertical menu, you'll find a media icon. It might look like a tiny collage or a folder, depending on your version. Click this icon to open the Media Hub for the currently selected chat. Inside the Media Hub, you'll immediately see the gallery of shared items for that chat. To narrow things down by date, locate the sort icon at the top of the window. It's designed to help you reorder the list quickly, so you can focus on the most relevant items rather than scrolling endlessly. Click the sort icon and you'll be presented with a few sorting options. Choose the period you want to filter by, such as today, this week, this month, or a custom range if that option is available in your update. Selecting a period rearranges the media so you can browse only items from that time frame, making it easier to locate celebrations, receipts, or memorable moments without digging through years of messages. If you're looking for media across multiple chats, repeat the process for each conversation. The press of the sort control every time will let you view items by date within that chat's media collection. This method works smoothly whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or a compatible browser on your PC, as WhatsApp Web mirrors the mobile app's organization features. A quick tip: if you've attached a lot of media in a single chat, using the period filter can save you time when you're preparing a montage, downloading memories, or cleaning up storage. Set a clear time frame like last 90 days to quickly pull together a highlight reel or a birthday album. That's all there is to it. By opening WhatsApp Web, accessing the Media Hub, and using the sort option to pick a period, you can find all shared media neatly organized by date in minutes. Start sorting and your earliest and latest memories will be right at your fingertips.